Imagine pasting a single website URL into your AI workspace and immediately receiving a fully formatted, downloadable PDF audit of that site. Most users never reach this level of efficiency. Instead, they spend their time repeatedly typing out the exact same instructions, manually retraining the AI every single time they start a new session. To stop starting over, we are going to configure Claude AI's global settings and build a dedicated, customized project workspace. Once configured, a custom agent stops providing generic text responses and maintains a permanent automated workflow for specific tasks. Step 1 is navigating to Claude's General Settings menu to override the system's default behavior. Here, you add a global instruction that strictly bans basic answers across all interactions, demanding in-depth analysis instead. Next, look at the Capabilities menu. This is where you enable advanced document generation. This diagram shows the two crucial features you need to activate: code execution and file creation. By turning these on, you force the AI to automatically build visual files, PDFs, and spreadsheets as part of its response, without you having to ask for them in your daily prompts. Establishing these global settings ensures the platform generates structured documents as a default output. With the settings locked in, you need to manage your system resources by using the Model Selection dropdown. This chart breaks down Claude's 3 engines. The bottom is Haiku 4.5, a fast engine for basic Q&A. The middle tier, Sonnet 4.6, is the optimal engine for everyday tasks. At the top sits Opus 4.7, consuming maximum resources for deep research. Running that heaviest model for simple prompts rapidly depletes your daily token limits, potentially locking you out when you actually need the processing power. Deliberately matching the engine's computing power to the exact complexity of your task keeps your high-tier AI access uninterrupted. Now we enter the creation phase. Navigate to the Projects tab and initialize a new workspace, naming it Website Audit. Inside the project dashboard, you will find the Instructions box. This acts as the brain of your agent. Leaving it blank guarantees failure. To fill this effectively, use a secondary AI tool like ChatGPT to draft a highly specific, comprehensive set of system instructions for you. Take those generated rules and populate the instructions box to dictate exactly how this specific agent must behave from now on. For the final step in constructing the agent's dedicated knowledge base, click the Add Files feature. Upload the specific business context, like brand guidelines, past audit examples, or raw CSV data. These uploaded files act as a hard constraint. They force the AI to reference only the provided data instead of guessing. By combining strict system instructions with uploaded reference files, you create a closed ecosystem that anchors the AI's logic and reduces the likelihood of hallucinations. To execute the workflow, select the Sonnet 4.6 model for the best balance of speed and analytical accuracy. Then type the simplest prompt possible. Analyze this website, followed by your target URL. In real time, those custom instructions and global settings immediately take over the processing phase. This flow graphic illustrates exactly what happens next. The AI entirely bypasses standard conversational text and instantly outputs a structured, multi-page downloadable document. Heavily engineering the setup phase upfront completely removes all the tedious friction of your daily task execution, freeing you to focus on strategy. Opening the generated PDF reveals deeply formatted insights, competitor analysis, and highly actionable implementation steps. This specific workflow is now permanent. The AI will flawlessly execute this identical audit process for any future link you drop into the project workspace. You can clone this exact framework to build dedicated agents for your coding architecture, graphic design pipelines, or scheduling automation. Mastering the deployment of projects creates a system where specialized agents handle high-volume tasks across your entire business.